Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because today we are unboxing my monthly subscription boxes. Now, it feels like it's been forever since I've done one of these because I didn't do March's. They showed up late. But today we are unboxing the April Ipsy and Boxycharm, which I'm super excited for. And I don't know what's in here. I know that we had a couple things that we were allowed to choose, and I forgot what I chose. So we're gonna find out what's in here together. Now, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But if you wanna see what I got in my April subscription boxes, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, we are gonna start out with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I get so excited for my subscription boxes and I just never know what I'm gonna get. Now, if you're interested in getting your own subscription from Ipsy and Boxycharm, I'll put the information down below. There are some links that you can follow and get to their pages. I just find that I discover some amazing products that either I was planning on purchasing or I had no intentions or didn't know about. So sometimes I get to discover brands without having to spend that huge price tag, which when we start talking about some of these products, sometimes they're very expensive. Anyways, I can continue to blather, but you're here to see what's in here. So, oh, this is cute. So this is the bag for Ipsy this month. It's such a cute little like spring vibes, the little daisies. Now with Ipsy, they do give us a card inside, but it doesn't actually have details of the products. Instead, I had to bring up my Ipsy app and then it actually has all the details right here. So, spoiler alert. Since that's the one that we already spoiled, this is the KimChi Chic Puff Puff Pass Set and Bake Powder. So KimChi was actually on RuPaul's Drag Race and then developed her own makeup brand. Let's find my little scissors so we can open up this box and check it out. This is a full size, retails for $18. The packaging is really interesting. It has her face on it and there's like, I think she's holding onto a donut. It does say it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, PEGs-free, phthalates-free, sulfate and synthetic fragrance-free, as well as vegan. Oh, this is so cute. So it's wrapped in paper. That is a cute little aesthetic. I kind of don't want to like break this, but I want to open it up and try it out or check it out. Oh, this is a pretty big package for it. It has a little puff on here, no like stopper, which I appreciate because sometimes those stoppers make it really hard to get product. But we will try this out. It's more of like, even though it's like a translucent shade, it's more like peachy. This is the Golden Hour Beauty For Real Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette. If I go in this drawer down here, I believe I already have this. So this is gonna end up in a giveaway for you guys. Look at that. I do have, so this is the new one. It has the little sleeve on it and everything. And then this one right here is the one that I already have. So the Golden Hour palette from Beauty For Real, this retails for $36. I did already swatch my eyeshadows in here. I had received it in a previous subscription box. And just look at the shimmers that are in here, you guys. So I'm gonna keep mine and then I'm going to put this one aside for a giveaway in the future for you guys. Okay, next in here we have the Buttah Tea Tree and Aloe Mask Scrub. It's a triple action clay mask, foam cleanser, and deep exfoliator. This retails for $22. I don't really wanna open this up, but I do love something like this for in the shower. Sometimes I will put it on my skin, let it sit, hop in the shower, wash my hair, and then rinse my face. Or sometimes I'll just use it like as an exfoliator like it says. But I like these multitasking products. Next we have the Super Serum Silk Foundation. It's got vitamin C and E, ferulic, bakuchiol, 8 Super Blacks Essence. This retails for $45. I've gotten a couple other things from Yensa, like a cream bronzer, and I know there was something else. Ooh, I like this. So this is a really sleek, like, aesthetic, as well as it has the air pump. So as it pumps product out, it's going to push from the bottom. So those air holes and everything, you're not gonna have it, and you're not gonna have product stuck in the bottom, which I love this type of packaging. So Super Silk Foundation is supercharged with skin-loving peptides and an age-defying complex of vitamin C, 𝐬𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐒, and 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒 oil. Helps brighten, improve firmness, and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Provides full, flawless coverage. Huh, I'm really interested in trying this out. And then the last item in here, this is the Roen Cake Lash Mascara. This is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. And it's in the shade Black Noir. This also retails for $28. Now, let me go ahead and add this up for you. Okay, so 5 full-size products, and they total $149. That's $149 that I did not spend. I wanna say I spent $25 for the subscription box, but like I said, I will have those details down below. Okay, you guys, now we have the Boxycharm base box. This one's a little bit heavy, so I'm interested to see what's in here. This also, I get, I think, 5 full-size products, and this usually has a theme. So this one is Boxy Spring Revival. Now, Boxycharm does give a card that has the details, so I will actually have the prices and information for you without having to look it up. Now, the first thing in here that I see, this is the StudioMakeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. This retails for $45, and it says, the perfect serum for all ages. This highly concentrated hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum works to quickly reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity while keeping the skin highly moisturized throughout the day, leaving the skin looking radiant and youthful, which I can definitely use this. I do like a hyaluronic acid serum for underneath my moisturizer before I put my makeup on. Ooh, it's a pretty big size bottle, so we will definitely have to try that out. Next in here, we have the Lucky Chic Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Rose Quartz. This retails for $22. Ooh, that is beautiful. I kind of want to swatch it. Oh, it's like a little like paintbrush. Ooh, that is quite beautiful. Next we have from Georgette Klinger, the Vitamin C Mask for all skin types. Restores youthful tone and texture, improves radiance and clarity, fights signs of aging caused by UV damage, promotes healing and repair, brightens dull, uneven skin, draws impurities from pores, smooths and firms. This retails for $36. This also has the air pump, so it's gonna pull the product from the bottom. We have a pair of makeup brushes from Luxie. I love Luxie brushes. I haven't used them in forever. I've been using my Laura Lee and Sigma ones in Huda Beauty. But I do like a good pair of brushes from Luxie. These retail for $40. There's a blush face brush, concealer brush, and medium angled brush. Okay, so these are what the brushes look like. So this one's technically a concealer brush, but I do like using it for shimmers to place in the inner corner just because it's flat and precise and just perfect for that area. This angled brush, I don't use them quite often, but can also be very functional as a concealer brush just for getting in the corner as well. And then of course, blush brush. But this is much bigger than what I use for my blush. So I will add these to my collection. And then we have an eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bakerie. This is the Sour Ya Doin'. And it is very spring themed with the lemons. This retails for $38. Now, what does the color story look like? Ooh, this is very bright and colorful. I feel like you could have a lot of fun with that. So these are three of the shimmers. This one is Sangria, and it kind of has like a pinky blue shift. You've got Refresher, and then you have Icy. Those are lots of fun. We're gonna have to try this out one day. Let's go ahead and total this box up. So the total for this box with 5 full-size products is $181. Not bad. Okay, you guys, and the last box we have is Boxycharm Premium. Much bigger than the last box, but just as heavy. So let's peek in here and see what we got. Okay, so we've got the same theme. We also have a card with the details, and this has 6 full-size products. Ooh, all right. So the first thing I see in here, and I already know this plain white carton, this is Natasha Denona. I love her eyeshadow palettes, and I have a couple of her like highlighter and cheek duos. Ooh, is this one that I already have? This is the Cupid Cheek Duo. Oh, I don't have these shades. This retails for $42, and it's got a cream blush and a highlighter. So the one that I have, this is the Love Cheek Duo. This was this year's, and I want to say, was this last year's? Let's compare. All right, so this is the one that I just got, and then this is the one that I have. So they are different shades. So I am going to swatch them because I love her products. Ooh. This is like a cheek gloss. Ooh. I want to try it. Okay. Ooh, that's really pretty. I should probably do that on the other side. And then this highlighter, which that is stunning. I cheated a little bit, and we'll use this definitely in one of the next videos that I use new products. Next in here from Iconic London, we have the Brow Silk Kit. This retails for $25. And do I have this already? All right, so it has a little compact and then a brush, like it looks like a toothbrush. Oh, this is like the soap brows. I never used those. Oh, I want to try this out so bad. We will try this out next time. Yes, I'm excited to try this. Okay, so we have a black liquid eyeliner from my beauty brand X by Me. This retails for $20, and I always needed a good black eyeliner and liquid at that. Okay, so this looks like it's a felt tip. Ooh, let's see. That's nice, and it's not too see-through. It's nice and pigmented. I hate when I get a liquid eyeliner and it's really watery and then I have to keep going back over it and then it just starts flaking. So I want to try this out. Ooh, we have the English Growers body oil from Mitchell and Peach. That packaging is really cute. Just simple, silver, beautiful. This retails for $68. What? Expertly blended and inspired by the verdant countryside of the Foxbury Farm Estate, this nourishing body oil is delicately scented with a green floral fragrance, possessing both cut leaf freshness and intriguing depth. All right, well now I want to smell it. What does that smell like? Ooh, that'll be really pretty in the shower. It's subtle. It's not anything like super floral. That would be nice to layer. I'll have to try this out. I don't use a lot of body oils, especially in the summer. I use them more like in the winter when my skin's dried out. Ooh, we have a skin smoothing polish from Murad. I love Murad. They have some amazing skincare products. This retails for $39. Gentle exfoliating scrub helps clear away pore clogging debris and excess oils for smoother, healthier looking skin. This I like to just chuck in the shower, and then whenever I need an exfoliating scrub, which is like every 2 to 3 days, I'll reach for it and just use it when I need it. I try not to use them too often because otherwise it can strip away some of the things that you need on your skin. The last thing in here, we have a lip gloss. This is the Nabla Shine Theory lip gloss. This retails for $15, and I do love the Nabla Skin Balm. It's one of my favorites. And then they also have a good concealer. It's really pretty, like shimmery shade. It has a scent. It smells nice. It's just a gold glitter gloss. I don't want to put it on because I do have a liquid lipstick, but I will definitely try it out. Okay, you guys, 6 full-size products, and that brings us to a total of $209. I got some products in here that I know I like from certain brands or things that I would try out. So I'm excited to see what products work, what products don't work, and what I'm gonna add into my daily routine. Now you guys, that is it for this unboxing. Let me know, what products do you like from this unboxing? Do you have Boxycharm or Ipsy? Did you get similar products? Did you get different variations? I would like to know, put them down in the comments. And if you're interested in going and getting Boxycharm and Ipsy subscriptions for yourself, definitely check the drop down box. I will put some links down there so you can go and check them out yourself. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications to new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.